Hi students, this is Saheb sir, your chemistry mentor. Today we go to learn about subatomic particles. Okay, the atom which has spherical in shape, in which the center part is known as nucleus, which has positive charge and have proton and neutron called as subatomic particles. Around the nucleus, there is a circular path in that electrons are present. Electron has negative charge. It is also subatomic particle. So totally three subatomic particles are there: proton, neutron and electron. These three are known as subatomic particles. The center part of the atom is known as nucleus, which has positive charge because of protons. Around the nucleus, there is a circular path known as orbits. The subatomic particles present inside the atom. These are mainly three: electron, negative charge; proton, positive charge; neutron, no charge. First of all, we go to learn about electron, which has negatively charged particle, discovered by J.J. Thomson. It present in orbit and always rotates it around the nucleus. The charge of the electron is 1.6021 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Generally, we know as minus 1. Mass is 1 by 1836 part in proton's mass. Next, proton. It is H plus ion source as H plus ion, positively charged particle present in nucleus. Mass of the proton is 1.6726 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. It has positive charge minus 1 is equal to electron's charge, but it has positive. Electron has negative charge. It shows the number of protons shows atomic number of elements. Neutron, it shows small n, chargeless particle or no chargeable particle present in nucleus along with proton. The mass of the neutron is slightly higher than proton, that is 1.67493 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. Nucleons. Combinedly, protons and neutrons present in nucleus known as nucleons. The mass of the element is nothing but nucleons, because proton and neutrons mass is nearly same or equal, so atomic mass is nearly double than atomic number. Please subscribe and share our channel, that is Saheb Chemistry Classes. Thank you for watching.